Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your internet connection with AT&T. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your internet connection with AT&T, start by accessing your account online. Open a web browser and go to the AT&T website. Log into your AT&T account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the security settings section of your account. Look for options related to network security or device protection. Enable any available security features, such as firewall settings or network encryption. If you have a router, access its settings by entering the router's IP address in your browser. Change the default administrator username and password for your router. Ensure your Wi-Fi network is secured with a strong password. Select WPA3 as the encryption method if it's available. Regularly update your router's firmware to protect against vulnerabilities. Disable remote management features unless absolutely necessary. Consider setting up a guest network for visitors to keep your primary network secure. Monitor connected devices in your network settings to identify any unauthorized access. Use AT&T's security app for mobile devices to manage and secure your connection on the go. Implement extra layers of security, such as a virtual private network, for enhanced privacy. Review your account for any unusual activity regularly. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your internet connection with AT&T. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.